Do you ever feel like you spend way too much time on boring tasks, writing emails, planning, or even brainstorming ideas? Well, today I will show you 10 powerful ChatGPT prompts that can literally save you hours every single week. These aren't generic prompts you have seen before. They are specific, tested, and super practical, whether you are a student, freelancer, or business owner. By the end of this video, you will know how to use ChatGPT like your own personal assistant, cutting down work that normally takes hours into just minutes. Prompt 1. Smart mail drafting. Instead of staring at a blank screen for 30 minutes trying to sound professional, let ChatGPT draft it for you. You can ask ChatGPT to write a professional but friendly email to. You can insert the type of person, whether it's client, professor, colleague, explaining the situation to ChatGPT. You can even adjust the tone, make it casual, formal, or persuasive. This alone can save hours every week if you send a lot of emails. Prompt 2. Instant meeting summary. Meetings often drag on, and writing notes afterward wastes even more time. This prompt turns a long transcript into a one-page summary with action items. Just upload or paste your meeting note and ask ChatGPT to summarize this meeting transcript into bullet points, highlight action items, and list next steps for the team, so you instantly know who is doing what. Prompt 3. Study note generator. Instead of reading and rewriting everything, let ChatGPT make condensed study notes for you. You can paste any paragraph text into ChatGPT, then paste this prompt below. Turn this text into simple study notes. Use bullet points, highlight key terms, and add one analogy that make it easy to remember. Adding analogy helps you actually remember the material. Prompt 4. Content calendar planner. Just ask ChatGPT to create a 1-month content calendar for Instagram about any topic. For example, let's use health. Include post ideas, captions, and suggested hashtags. If you are a creator or social media manager, this replaces hours of brainstorming. You get a month of content ideas in seconds, complete with captions and hashtags. Huge time saver. Simple as that. Prompt 5. Research assistant. Instead of spending hours Googling, let ChatGPT gives you a structured summary. Paste this prompt in ChatGPT. Research the topic, let's say content creation with AI, or any topic you want to research, and provide a summary of the 5 most important points, plus pros and cons, and cite reliable sources where possible. It won't replace this research, but for a quick overview or a school project, it saves tons of time. Prompt 6. Instant resume tailoring. Customizing resumes for each job can take forever. Upload your resume and just paste this prompt. Rewrite this resume to highlight skills and experiences that match this job description. Let's just say graphic design. Keep it professional, concise, and optimized. This prompt tailors your resume instantly for any role. That's hours saved during job applications. Prompt 7. Daily Productivity Planner. This transforms ChatGPT into your personal productivity coach. Just ask ChatGPT to create a daily schedule for someone who works, put your job type, and wants to balance goal, study, side hustle, fitness, include time blocks and priorities. Now, ChatGPT will generate a very good daily productivity plan for you to go ahead. Instead of spending time planning your day, it lays out a clear structure in seconds. Prompt 8. Block Outline Generator. Writers often spend hours just creating outlines. Ask ChatGPT to write a detailed block outline for the topic of your choice. Include introduction, main point, examples, and conclusion. Now you have a detailed block outline, and you can still ask ChatGPT to expand it to a full article. With this prompt, you get a professional structure instantly, so you can focus on writing or even let ChatGPT expand each section. Prompt 9. Quick Comparison Maker. Perfect for decision making. Just paste this prompt and insert your own topic or tools you want to compare. Compare Gemini versus Grok. Show pros, cons, and final verdict in table form. Instead of hours of research, you get side-by-side comparisons instantly. Great for choosing tools, services, or products. Now, ChatGPT will bring out very quick comparison of Gemini and Grok as a table and a little bit of explanation. Prompt 10. Learning Assistant. This is one of my favorite. You can learn anything fast. Ask ChatGPT to explain any topic. Let's say how to use N8N and build automation system for social media. Like I'm 10 years old, then explain it again in expert detail. Provide an analogy for easier understanding. You get a simple explanation and then a deeper dive. It's like having a teacher who explains things at your own level. ChatGPT will give you a very step-by-step guide on whatsoever topic you want to learn. Save your favorite prompt into a document or even automate them with tools like Zapier. That way, you can reuse this time-saving prompt daily without typing them over and over again. So there you have it, 10 ChatGPT prompts that can literally save you hours every single week. Try them out, tweak them for your own needs, and watch how much time you get back. If you found this helpful, don't forget to subscribe for more AI tutorials right here on AI Toolkit today.